English for Everyone. Business English. Course Book, Level 1. Lesson 13.
I run a great team, but John is really lazy. It's not fair on his co-workers.
Chloe is polite to clients. Sally is always calm under pressure. Michael is very hard-working. Fatima is a creative designer. Ben seems very organized. Ruth and Ian always look great.
Ben always arrives late for work in his t-shirt and carrying a backpack. He's very friendly, and I like him, but I think he's also a bit disorganized. Maria is a very polite and hard-working employee. She works as a waitress and carries trays of food and drinks all evening. Sophia is well-dressed and works hard. She is always first in the office and carries her bags of papers and laptop with her everywhere. She's a great team member. Our marketing director, Maxim, is really creative. He usually looks quite good. He wears his suit and tie in the morning, but by the end of the afternoon, his jacket is off and his tie is loose. Sometimes it's very difficult to know if Felipe is lazy or just very calm. I never see him get excited. He's not really interested in what he looks like and always wears the same green top to work.
This is a great team. All my colleagues are really hard-working. My team leader is impolite, and he is also very impatient. My co-workers say that I am really motivated and ambitious. The new young intern seems very intelligent, and he is really polite. I'm very lucky. All my colleagues are hardworking and helpful.
She looks busy.
Yes, Tamsin takes her work very seriously.
Your team is so hardworking. Pablo is talking to his manager.
My staff is very motivated.
Their products aren't very good.
I, my, you, your, he, his, she, her, it, its, we, our, they, their.
Sophia is so efficient. Her desk is always very well organized. 2 of the people on my team are new to the company, but they're settling in well. Their manager is very good with people. They enjoy working with him. The company is very proud of its reputation and quality products. Is this your phone? It doesn't belong to me, but I found it on my desk.
Is that design yours? It looks great.
Yes, it's mine. I'm very proud of it.
My, mine. Your, yours. His, her, hers. Its, our, ours. Their, theirs.
This laptop is theirs. We hate their product, but we love ours. They are proud of their project. Our clients expect excellent service. This isn't her desk, it's mine. This is amazing. Is it her project?
This computer is mine. I think these are your files. Is this desk his? These are her pens. Are those products theirs?
Jeremy is Pepe's line manager. Jeremy is my colleague's line manager.
Jason's assistant often works late. The interns work really hard. All the team members are intelligent. This big room is my boss's office. All the bosses have parking spaces. The best thing about this product is its strength.
You are my manager. You are my assistant. You are Sam's manager. You are Sam's assistant. You are very organized. You are really organized. We are very organized. We are really organized. Katie is my manager. Katie is Sam's manager. Katie is my assistant. Katie is Sam's assistant. Katie is very organized. Katie is really organized.
End of Lesson 13.